All right, let's cut to the chase. You have probably been thinking about moving to Staten Island, but you're not sure if it's the right move. I'm here to give you the rundown. Why you should not move here. Yes, you heard that right. Staten Island is not for everyone. Hi, I'm Allisonmireau, broker owner of Real Connect Realty in Staten Island, New York with a dual license in New Jersey. And if you are on this page, you either are looking for something in Staten Island or are currently living in Staten Island and going to Jersey, because that's what I do. Basically, we help people every single day sell their homes in Staten Island and move up or move out to New Jersey. So don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for keeping you connected to Staten Island and New Jersey living. I'm gonna tell you in this episode why not to live here. But here's the thing, if you're willing to stick around until the end, I'll show you how those reasons might actually be the very thing that makes you fall in love with Staten Island. All right, let's get into it. Let's just start with the biggest elephant in the room, the commute. If you are working in Manhattan or Brooklyn, commuting from Staten Island can feel like a part-time job. Between the ferry, bridge, tolls, and traffic, it's not exactly a walk in the park. But here is the flip side. Staten Island gives you something Manhattan and Brooklyn can't. Space, peace, and affordability. And with remote work more common now than ever, many people only commute a few days a week or not at all. My aunt used to go in every single week, but now she only goes in once every 2 weeks. Plus, you're away from the craziness of the city. And even though this has nothing to do with commute, let's talk about the second biggest elephant in the room, the parking situation. If you live in Staten Island, you will, I repeat, you will be able to find parking. You won't have to park in a parking garage like the other boroughs. Reason number 2, or maybe 2.5. If you're looking for nonstop energy like Manhattan or Brooklyn, Staten Island is not it. The nightlife here is not crazy and it's overall quieter, much quieter. There is no pasha here. But here's the beauty in that. Staten Island feels like it's a little an oasis. You've got incredible parks all over. We are the greenest borough. Waterfront views and neighborhoods where you actually know your neighbors. And when you want that city vibe and to go out, you're just a short ferry ride away, a drive away, an Uber away. You get the best of both worlds. And that brings us to number 3, limited public transportation. Let's be honest, Staten Island's public transportation is not winning any awards. If you don't have a car, getting around can feel very, very frustrating at times. And remember, the train does not leave the island. It goes from one side to the other. And if you go to the side in St. George, it does bring you to the ferry, but that is the only way off the island besides express buses. But here's what I tell my clients. Staten Island is about basically owning your own lifestyle. Most homes here come with driveways, garages, and parking. Something that feels like a luxury if you've been living in the city, Brooklyn, anywhere else, because they don't have that. And let's not forget, the Staten Island Express buses are comfortable and direct if you need that commute to Manhattan, just like we previously talked about, or the ferry that goes right over. All right, and that brings us up to what maybe should have been one, is the reputation. I will say it, Staten Island sometimes gets a bad rap. People think it's all about the landfill, or they assume there's nothing exciting happening here. We have the best food! But anybody who actually lives on Staten Island knows that is such outdated nonsense. We have gorgeous, gorgeous parks, like I just said. Neighborhoods are amazing. The community is awesome. There's new developing things all the time. The Staten Island Mall expansion, the thriving restaurant scene, plus it's Staten Island. You can feel like a sense of pride living here in a place that's often underestimated. We're low-key pretty awesome. That's why I opened my company here. And here's the last reason you might not want to move here. If you're coming from the city, Staten Island's small town vibe might feel a little different. People actually say hi to each other sometimes. You might run into your neighbor at the grocery store, and everybody seems to know everybody. But guess what? That's what makes Staten Island feel like home. You're not just another face in the crowd. It's a community. And once you'll find your spot, you'll realize how rare and special that this is in the tri-state. We are part of New York City, even though nobody thinks we are, and it doesn't feel like it. But in my opinion, New York City is the greatest city in the world, and I am proud to have been born and raised in Staten Island, which is part of that. So now ask yourself, is Staten Island perfect? No. But is it right for you? That depends on what you're looking for. If you want more space, a sense of strong community, a lifestyle where you can breathe without sacrificing access to the city, Staten Island might just surprise you. Really good pizza, bagels, desserts, Marina Cafe. I could go on with the list. Food's amazing here. So here's the deal. Give me and my team a call in the next 9 or 90 days, or send us an email. Any questions you have about Staten Island, we will absolutely love to help you. If you hit the link in my description below, schedule a call, check out my other videos all about Staten Island. Definitely watch my favorite food to eat. Basically, I decided to tell you everything I was gonna eat in a day if I was gonna eat all that food. It's incredible. Again, my name is Allisonmireau, broker owner of Real Connect Realty in Staten Island, New York, with a dual license in New Jersey. And we cannot wait to help you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.